What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. And y'all know when it comes to Nike SB, man, some of them I just have to have. Y'all know what we're reviewing today, right? Let's get it. Yes, sir. I know I'm kind of late to the party with these, man, but when you just trying to find something you want, sometimes you just got to be patient. In my hands here is the Nike SB Jarritos. This is the latest SB collab. It came out a week after the Run the Jewels joints, which I liked, but I kind of felt like they would look like a regular dunk, so I left alone. These bad boys is something that I've been looking at since release date. Even before release date. I could have paid $400 for them 3 weeks in advance, gave out an early review. But for some reason, I thought I was going to get my hands on these just like I got my hands on Grateful Dead's and, of course, the Chunky Dunky joints. But I couldn't hit, man, and I had to pay resale. The thing is, I didn't want to pay the $800 or the $700 mark that is gone for right now in my size. So I had to wait till someone had one with maybe a damaged box. I'm giving y'all I'm dropping some jewels right now. Make sure y'all pick them up. If you're a person who don't care about the box, sometimes if you wait long enough on the resale market, GOAT will hit you with a pair with a damaged box. That's $200 to $100 to $200 off of the price of the resale. So once someone put up a damaged box, I wound up getting these bad boys here for $400. Still sucks to me because I could have got them for $300 and something before release date, but at least I didn't have to pay that $800 joint. And I'm so stoked to get to this review, so let's stop talking. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So this is the new Nike SB Dunk box for the year. This is my first time getting one in hand. As I told you, I decided not to go with the Run the Jewels joint, but I'm hearing that it's going to be a restock of the Run the Jewels joint on the sneakers app. If that happened, I will buy it just for review purposes. But I like this box. It's not better than the Quick Strike box. I like it better than the purple box though, because it's not just white and gray. It does have some gloss on it, so I really like this box. It reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro QS Phantom Safety Orange. So it says nothing about the green. When you open it up, no one has told me yet in my comments, what is this paper? I always say tree bark, but I know it has something to do with the skateboard community. So please, if you know, let me know. But for me, it just looks like tree bark design. Inside, we have an orange pair of laces, SB style with green tips. And a green rope laces. And the tips are green also, but it gives you that Travis Scott vibe. Here's a 360 view of the Nike SB Dunk Jarrito, or Jarruto. My Latin Spanish family, pronounce that for me right. Out here in Brooklyn, we calling it Jarrito. The soda's great, but the sneaker's even better. So let's just start with this check. I love the design look of this Nike swoosh. It looks like denim. And you don't really see denim in that nice greenish aqua color, making it dope. But of course, if you read everything, it went with this design because this peels off and it becomes a totally different shoe. Right here, you have the Jarrito logo, super dope. very big. You can see it. It's not small. It doesn't lack design. I love that. In the back, more Jarrito branding. Just says Jarrito, but that is the logo that you see on the soda. And one more piece of branding, the Nike SB logo, and the swoosh also in that branding on your Nike SB OG fat tongue. And that's really it for the branding besides the colors, the looking like Miami. But that's it for the branding on the outside. When you get to the inside, you got more Jarrito branding all through on the sole. They went all out with the branding here. And this is the right side, guys. On the left side where it says Jarrito, it says Nike, but in the same color coordination. On the back again, you got the Jarrito logo. And that's it really for logos. It reads Nike SB Jarrito logo Nike SB Jarrito in there in the logo. But let's talk about the overall shoe now. Right here you get I don't know the material, but you know, like when you go to a family reunion and you hop a potato sack. You get that potato sack look material there, and the reason I want potato sack because the color made me go there. But it's a nice khaki color, but it is in that like potato sack material. But of course it comes off. I like the sneaker better with it on. Really every sneaker I like better with it regular. The Travis Scott Dunk joints look better regular. I feel like these look better regular. But let me know in the comment section below, do y'all like it with it chipped off? I do like more of the orange colorway, but I like it like this better. It's a Nike SB, so in the inside you do have that zoom technology. And I did read somewhere, let me try to get this off.
A few moments later.
Yes, sir. I took the whole sole out for you guys so you can see everything with it and show you that air zoom technology on the back, Nike SB style. So yeah, let me go full strength with y'all. Okay. Pulling the sole out also, I found another pair of laces. This look more in that mummy colorway to me. It comes in white. This is like a little bit off, more in that mummy colorway. But let's get into more of the sneaker. Like I told you, get that Miami Dunk look with the green and the orange there. Sliced up down there, super dope. And yeah, it's just more of that potato sack colorway all through, which I really, really like, guys. Finally secured, man. Let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about this pair here. I felt the same way I feel right now that I felt about the Bart Simpsons when I first brought them and gave y'all early review. But more and more I looked at the Bart Simpsons, I'm like, dang, why couldn't it be a real collab? Why couldn't we get a Simpson on it? Yes, the colors was out of this Park Simpson, but with this Jarrito here, you get, it's a real collab. You get that feeling with the logos and the mesh look. You get that feeling. You got it with the Chunky Donkey. You got it with the Grateful Dead. I like this pair. Is it SB of the year? I mean, at this point, it has to be. It has to be until something else come out. I know Travis got an album coming out next week. He might come out with something. But again, like I told y'all, if y'all really want a sneaker and y'all could do without having the box 100% perfect, look at GOAT for those damaged box looks. Long as the sneaker's not used or damaged, I'm cool with the box being messed up. I'll tell y'all a quick story and then I get out of here. My Travis Scott Dunks that I had, I wound up selling because I went 2 years without wearing them. I think I got $1,800 for them on GOAT. I took them to GOAT to get verified. GOAT wrote me an email and said, the box looks damaged. Do you want to give a discount? Instead of getting the $1,800, I think I gave him a 10% discount. He took it. It's just a way to save money. You don't wear the box, guys. And that's how I was able to secure this pair before it outpriced me. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.